builders, my name is Legend. Today, we're making a Hot Wheels breakfast. I'm gonna show you how I hack the track. Breakfast is my favorite meal, so I made a track that'll help me make my breakfast. Wanna see how I built it? Ready, set, build! I wanna build a track from here to there. I'm gonna need a strong launcher to start. Here we go. Let's start with some loops. Here's what I used to build this track. Cool! Now I need my track to go from the kitchen island to the table. This stool is the perfect height to support my track. It looks like I'm going to need to lift the track a little more. Oh, these containers should do it. Perfect! I want my track to stay at a higher level so that the milk can pour down into my cereal bowl. So if everything works as planned, this car should crash through the yellow gate and pour milk all over my cereal. Okay, let's test it out. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, almost! I think I need a stronger crash. This should do the trick. This booster will make that crash a lot stronger. Let's go! Awesome! I'm gonna add milk after I finish the rest of this track. Next up, it's donut time. Oh yeah! Track 2 is gonna be the donut lane, but this is gonna be tricky. This lane needs to go towards the table. This curve kicker should turn the cars where they need to go. This little cutting board will lift the curve kicker for extra support. The track fits perfectly inside this paper towel roll too. There are so many kitchen things that can hold up my track. Let's use another stove to create a bridge just like our first one. And these baskets will give me the extra height I need for this bridge. These curves will zigzag this track to my place. Sweet! Now we'll just add this to send the car into the donut. This is going to be so cool. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, so close. The donut is in front of the ramp, but the car jumps straight over it. I don't think a ramp will work here. I need another way to push this donut onto the plate. This ramp has a yellow flap that flips up when a car drives through it. Let's place the donut on the ramp so it can roll down the plate. Yeah, that looks good. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, score 1 for the donut track. Next up, let's mix in something a little more healthy. I'm going to make this hard-boiled egg roll. Let's straighten out the track with this curve kicker. And another bridge here to the table. Here are all the items I used for this track build. These containers will lift the egg above this bowl. But how will the egg stay on the track? Maybe I can use one of these. Oh, I can rest the egg here and put the jumps back to back to create a ramp. Nice! Okay, it's time to test this egg drop. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, almost there. It looks like this egg could use a little extra kick. Get it? Here we go. This is perfect. Let's try again. Cool! That was awesome! Okay, I'm ready to eat, but I still need a spoon. I know. Let's build one more track to finish this breakfast hack. This lane is going to need a long bridge, and these stools are perfect. I'm going to need to regain some speed here. This track needs to loop back around to reach the cereal bowl. This plate and cereal container are just tall enough for this track. One final curve kicker right here should push the spoon into the bowl. And a stack of cups to support it. The cereal bowl is still pretty far from this point. So this will send the spoon flying across the placemat into the cereal bowl. Okay, here we go. Whoa, this booster might be too strong. The car needs to have less speed going into this turn. What if I try one of these instead? All right, let's try it out. Yes! All my breakfast tracks work! Alrighty, it's time to make my breakfast with this breakfast making machine. Let's do it! 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Yes, go! Yum! Amazing! Go, go, go! Now that was cool! Oh, did you see that? Breakfast is even better when you make it yourself. Yum, that was delicious. I hacked the track, and now I got my own breakfast making machine. How will you hack the track?
Alright guys, so today, after school, I'm gonna surprise Ethan. Now I was thinking, like, what should I pick him up in? A private jet? A helicopter? Well, I decided to get this here school bus. Let's build some track and have fun. Let's go! Hey guys, let's put the finishing touches on things, okay? Let's go! Let's hit the road! You guys did a great job with the build. Guys, we're almost there! Surprise! Whoa! Look at all these Hot Wheels! So many loops and stuff! Whoa! 3, 2, 1! Oh, 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 3, 2, 1! Oh! Oh! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh! Bye! Bye!
What's up, guys? So last time we were here, we had the Mega Booster. This is a booster. This is a Mega Booster. We were launching cars at eggs, watermelons. But we're back and we're bigger. We're gonna go back to school. Let's see what these guys are up to. What you guys doing?
I love school.
I love school too.
I can draw a penguin really fast.
It's a potato with the top hat.
No, it's a penguin.
It's a potato. Comment down below if you think this looks like a penguin or a potato.
It's a penguin.
We need to go back to school, guys. All right, come on. Let's go check out what school supplies we got.
Oh, yes! This is like all the cafeteria food. That looks disgusting.
We got corn dogs right here.
Dude, I love corn dogs. Nuggets!
Our sugar football so that it will like explode when we...
Guys, can we draw our faces on these?
Let's do it.
You guys see the resemblance?
We all have the same creepy smile on our faces. It's like,
I honestly have never seen this one before. It's called the Bazooka.
100% going too tough. Always shoot straight.
I'm gonna do Electrac. Is that a toilet?
It's called Gotta Go.
All right, Drage, fire it up. Let's go.
Remember, do not try any of this at home.
All right, guys, comment down below which corn dog is your favorite.
All right, we're gonna use Too Tough.
Here we go.
Did you hear the noise of it going boom, boom?
Let me try the bazoom, Kurt. Whoa.
Rapid response, let's go.
Send a response.
Come on, Hollinator.
Oh, is that Hollinator? That one like almost knocked the thing over. Go.
Guys, I think we should move on. Let's grab the sugar football.
Yeah, let's go.
Get it.
So here's some of the sounds you guys can play over the slow motion, because obviously this football's gonna. What do you think it's gonna sound like? Holly?
Uh,
I don't ever want to like let something explode.
I don't want to watch that clip.
You ready?
3,
2, 1. Oh! Come on, Hollinator. Oh.
I have a really good feeling about speed bumps.
Yes, let's go. Come on.
Let's send it through.
Easy.
Hey guys, what class do we have next?
I think it's art class.
Oh, really?
I'm so
Yeah.
down. Let's go some glitter. Come on.
Let's go.
Glitterific.
All right, you ready?
Right there.
Come on, Hollinator.
Oh, right there.
That one's really good. That one does damage.
What else do we do in art class? Yo, we should paint.
Let's do it.
Guys, look at this.
Is that crescendo on the Hollinator?
Crescendonator.
Oh my God! That was insane. Let's try Too Tough again.
Too tough.
Time to combine art and history class with the Motosaurus.
Let's get it.
Oh
my gosh, brush off perfectly.
Whoa!
Maximum leeway.
It went through the cup.
No
it's
way.
Literally stuck in the cup. Look, that's how fast they go.
Look, this whole ground is an art piece now.
This is
Literally.
art.
Yes, I'm not cleaning it up. See you, George.
I'm selling this. I don't know about cleaning it up.
Time for my favorite class of the day.
What's that?
Lunchtime. This is not any normal lunch.
I got the milk.
Ready? Come on, speed box.
Oh, right there. Aisle runner.
Dude, that thing rips.
The roller toaster.
Let's finish that breakfast, guys.
Yes, yes.
What's next?
Chicken nugget.
Oh my gosh, it's the ultimate train.
And go.
We saw it was,
it was pretty
beautiful.
cool.
We'll watch it on the slow-mo.
I know, I gotta see the replay.
I have to.
That was awesome.
That was sick.
Can we do Mash Mountain?
The mashed potatoes, taters. Potatoes? Oh, we've got peas too. Let's put the peas on the mashed potatoes.
Oh.
All right, let's send this train.
Ready? Pea mash mountain, boys.
I really wanted to hit the apple so bad.
Oh my gosh.
See ya.
All right, guys, what are we gonna do next? I think we should go big.
I think we should go big.
Let's go huge.
Okay, guys, so we've switched things up a little bit. Now we have the 2-lane launcher and the deluxe stunt box. So basically, there's 2 lanes. We're gonna be racing 2 Hot Wheels at the same time.
You know I'm going electric.
You know I'm going audacious.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! That was so close.
3, 2, 1.
Street leader!
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Awesome.
For the win.
Yes. If you guys love the Mega Booster as much as we do, comment down below. Tell us to do it again and what else you want to see be smashed by these Hot Wheels.
Fast track on 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go eat those eggs.
Today, 2 Hot Wheels track warriors face off in the ultimate race to get out of school, but they'll have to overcome their biggest obstacle yet, Lunch Lady Doris. Both competitors looking to get an A+. Who will be top of the class? Find out today on Track Wars. The race begins in the classroom. First, they'll have to jump over a pile of homework and land their car in the recycler bin. Next, they'll run to the cafeteria. There's the lunch lady. Here, they'll try to jump over a plate of cafeteria mush and land on the Hot Wheels trigger launcher, releasing their car towards the exit and out of school. Simple? No way. Any mistake during the race, and you have to start over. Ew. Let's meet our racers.
Hi, I'm Claude. Hi, I'm Tejo.
Here we go, folks. And they're off. Making their way through the classroom, can they jump the pile of homework? They both launch. Slam dunk. Tejo gets it in the bin. Claude's car lands on the floor. He's gonna have to start over. And Tejo's off to the cafeteria. Claude's falling behind. Catch up. Uh-oh, the lunch lady's cooked something up. Can Tejo make this jump? He launches. Is it enough speed? His car's up. Right down into the food. Now Tejo has to start over. What a disappointment. Claude has a chance to catch up. He launches. Nails it this time. Can Tejo make a comeback? Claude reaches the cafeteria. Will he make this? He launches. It's up. It clears the food. He lands on the trigger launcher, releasing his final car down the track. Picking up speed. She doesn't look happy. Oh, and it's a straight shot to freedom. And Claude wins. Tejo's devastated. Oh, looks like it's about time for a little victory dance. Pretty sweet moves. I'm impressed. Finish your homework, Tejo. Told you the food was bad. The lunch stinks, but victory smells sweet. Hot Wheels.
Woo!